Whenever you are coding, for example, writing any text in the VS Code, it's giving some auto suggestions to you. Like this, you guys can see I am not writing anything, but this is giving me some of the auto suggestions like this. Okay, whenever I press the tab button, it got selected. But it's not a good programming practice because due to this our programming skills are not getting improved. So if you guys want to stop this auto suggestions and want to improve your coding skills by writing all the codes yourself, you just have to do nothing. You just have to click on the file here, and after selecting the file you have to search for the preferences, and after preferences you have to go for the settings, and after settings you have to search here which is copilot, and after copilot you have to scroll until you found a table, and in the table you found asterisk. For example, I found this table, and in this table you can check this asterisk is true. I have to edit item this and turn it to false, and okay, and after that you would see that there will be no auto suggestions in my case. You guys can check, there is no auto suggestions. Okay, for example, I select any new code, it's not giving and it will not give any suggestions. So thank you so much for watching the video. Now your auto suggestions have been turned off.